Just to reinforce the steps that it might take to turn this wonderful output in the CSV file into something that might be a bit more readable. I've opened up the CSV file. I'm just going to use Control A to select everything, the data that is presented, that is. Then we're going to use Control C to copy it, Control N to make a new workbook. And at this point, I'm just going to right click here in the top left cell and choose Paste Special and the Transpose option, which will make sure that all the headings that were in the top row are now down column A, and each subsequent column contains the results of a study. A few more steps. One, I want to use Control A again to select this time everything, including as you can see, the column headers and the row headers, which have now gone green to show they're selected. When they're all selected like this, if I make one column, and I'm just moving to the column divider there, not clicking but dragging with that column divider arrow, I can reset the column width for all of the selected columns, which, that'll be about right, but you could make it wider. And we can double click here on any of the dividing the row dividers with that particular mouse to auto fit the rows to the amount of text that is in each cell. Then I would reset the alignment, text alignment, to be on the left, and the vertical alignment for each cell to be top left as opposed to the bottom right or bottom of the cell. If also just double check that text wrap is turned on for everything so that we have text wrap. And if you want to make double sure, maybe just double click on one of the row dividers again. And pretty much that's it. I was going to suggest that possibly you could click in cell B2 here and go to the View tab and lock the panes, that is the top row and the left column, so that as you scroll through, you will always see the title of the study, and also so that you can see the headings down the left-hand side. You could resize, you could resize column A if you wanted to make it not quite so wide, but that should just about do it. And of course, then just simply save the file and choose whatever you're going to put it. But the most important thing is that it will now be in the standard spreadsheet format, not a CSV format, and you can just give it the name that you want it to at that point. That's, I think, all you need to do.